Hello everyone. You might think this old power adapter is only good for charging your computer, but I'm about to show you how I can convert it into a miniature heating element powerful enough to melt various metals. Today, I'm going to show you how I transform an ordinary laptop charger into a powerful DIY spot welder, capable of joining metal pieces with surprising strength. Before I begin, I'll separate the main power cord from the adapter unit. Now, I'm going to take the output cable from the adapter. This is the cable that would typically connect to the laptop. I'm using a pair of pliers to carefully strip away the outer black insulation. This reveals the internal wires, and as you can see, there are 3 distinct wires inside: red, white, and black. I used pliers to cut off the black wire that was not needed in this project. I'll strip the insulation from the white and red wires, exposing the copper strands. I'm twisting the exposed copper strands of the original red and white wires together. This ensures a strong combined positive connection. I'll repeat the twisting process for the red wire, ensuring all the strands are neatly gathered. I'm bringing in an extra length of red wire. This will be an extension for our circuit to give us more flexibility. I'll strip the ends of this new red wire just like I did with the others. Twisting these strands ensures they're compact and ready for a good connection. I'm connecting the new red wire to the adapter's red wire by twisting them together. This extends the positive lead of our circuit. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Safety first. I'm insulating this connection point with electrical tape. It prevents accidental shorts and protects the wiring. Now that one connection is secure, let's move on to the next. Now, for the white wire, I have another length of wire here to use as an extension. I'm stripping this white wire's ends, just as I did with the others, exposing the copper strands. Twisting the strands of the white wire again, making them neat and ready for a strong connection. Connecting the additional white wire to the white wire from the adapter. This extends the signal wire, which is usually used for data or control, but in this setup, it's part of the heating circuit. Just like the other connections, I'm wrapping this joint with electrical tape to secure and insulate it properly. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With all the extensions added, the adapter now has longer, more manageable wires ready for our experiment. Here comes the magic part, the spark plug. This will be the heating element for our new gadget. I'm attaching a copper terminal to the end of the spark plug. This creates a convenient and safe electrical connection point. I'm screwing the brass terminal onto the top of the spark plug. This provides a solid contact point for the electrical current. I'm carefully stripping the insulation off the end of this red wire, exposing the copper strands. Twisting these strands tightly will ensure a good, stable electrical connection to the spark plug. Using pliers, I'm crimping the wire tightly onto the terminal. A secure mechanical connection is vital before soldering. After making sure the connection is solid, I'm insulating the entire exposed part of the spark plug with red electrical tape. This is critical for safety and to keep everything protected during operation. Next up, I've got a standard AA battery. Using pliers, I removed the battery case. I used a utility knife to separate the plastic, then used pliers to get the carbon rod. This is the key component of my homemade welding machine. I used paper to clean the carbon rod, preparing for the next step. I am mounting the carbon rod to the electric drill. I will sharpen it with sandpaper to make it sharp for a precise welding tip. I then reinsert the carbon rod into the spark plug, making sure it is snug. This will become our soldering iron. Now, I'm attaching an orange crocodile clip to the end of the red wire connected to the spark plug. This is our positive lead. This orange alligator clip also doubles as a welder handle. I'll then prepare another section of the white wire, stripping one end. This creates a longer negative lead with clips on both ends for versatility. I'm adding a blue crocodile clip to the other end of the long white wire. This will be our negative lead. This completes the circuit. I'm plugging the power adapter into a power strip. This will provide the necessary electricity for our heating element. For our first test, I've got this small piece of wood. I'll use the orange crocodile clip on one side, and then bring the blue clip connected to our welding tip to the carbon rod part of the spark plug while touching the tip together. Watch closely. You can see the sparks fly. It's incredible how quickly it reaches such high temperatures, truly transforming it into a powerful igniter. For the first test, I soldered a piece of metal to the battery. After that, I used a blue alligator clip to connect to the metal piece. The sparks confirm a strong electrical current, and you can see the metal heat up rapidly and fuse together. This shows it can easily handle sheet metal connections. I twisted the two orange wires together. I used a soldering iron to connect the two wires firmly. You can see it quickly heats up and glows red hot. It's a fantastic demonstration of how easily heat can be generated with a power adapter and basic wiring. For a final, more challenging demonstration, I'm going to weld a metal bolt to a bearing. I'm inserting the bolt through the center of the bearing. I'll clamp the blue clip to the bolt and then apply the welding tip to the edge of the bearing, making contact with the bolt. The metal instantly glows bright orange and sparks fly. This is genuine spot welding happening right before your eyes. The intense heat fuses the two pieces of metal together, creating a very strong bond. It's truly amazing what you can achieve with a bit of ingenuity and basic electronics. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you in the next video.